Hello, Namaskara. So today, me and my friend are on our way to Sakleshpur. We left Bangalore at about 7 a.m. in the morning, and we are currently in Nilmangla. Today is August 15th, so that is why you're seeing the Independence Day parade held by some school. So we'll be following the route through Hassan because the roads are pretty good. Let me quickly just show you the route that we'll be following. As I said, we started off in Bangalore, and right now we are in Nalmangla as we speak. So we'll be reaching Hassan probably in an hour or two, and from Hassan we'll be going and reaching Sakleshpur. Our stay has been booked in Sakleshpur. However, we would want to go and visit the Bisle Ghat viewpoint before that. But yeah, after this, we will be going back to our stay for the day, which is upwards of Sakleshpur, called Bairahalli Bliss Camping. All right, we just had our breakfast. So a bit more about the trip, right? This is a 3-day trip wherein we'll be covering bulk of the distance on the first and the third day, and most of the places that we plan to visit would be happening on the second day. And yeah, the stay that we have booked for both the days is called Bairahalli Bliss Camping. I'll be sharing more details in another video. But yeah, it's more of a tent stay right next to a river, so it's pretty cool actually. So yeah, see you guys in Sakleshpur. All right. So we have just entered the town of Sakleshpur, which you can probably tell from this amazing greenery and the weather. I absolutely love Monsoon, by the way. So also I'm riding this R15 from Yamaha. It's the V2 version, and my friend he's riding his brand new Scrambler 400X, which I'll be showing up close in a later part of this video. So yeah, we are on our way to Bisle Ghat at the moment. Okay, so we have just stopped on the way to Bisle Ghat for a coffee break. So you can see the rain is like pouring heavily here, and yeah. Damn, the bikes look good in this weather.
ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಐತಲ್ಲೋ
So yeah, we just took a short walk after the coffee break, and yeah, so we came across this house, which looks pretty cool, in my opinion. Having the trees in front and that green lawn with this weather. Yeah. Oh, and yeah, this Jeep. I think this is the perfect type of vehicle you need to have if you want to roam around anywhere in Sakleshpur.
ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾನ್ಸೂನ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಒಂದು ರೀಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಂ ಅದು ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಸ್ ಹೋಗೋದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡುಗರು ಏನು ವ್ಯೂ ದಿನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬರೋದು ಅಣ್ಣ.
These paddy fields look so green and beautiful, and I think they make Sakleshpur one of the best places to visit during monsoon. It's not a very popular place, I would say, but it's a must visit if you haven't already. We were waiting for the rain to stop so that we could take a couple of drone shots, and luckily we did find some time. So, hope you guys enjoy the drone shots coming up. Hope you all like the drone shots. It was so much fun just flying it around here and exploring places. This is why I love Sakleshpur. While we were on the way to Ghat, we found this single tree surrounded by lush pastures of green fields, so we had to go check it out.
Okay. ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಾನೆ
Okay, this looks exciting. We have a dirt road leading up to that tree that we spotted from the main road. But yeah, it looks too good. It's so green all around, and you can see the fog or the mist, sorry, covering all the trees in the distance. And it's extremely cold here, so absolutely loving it. Oops, got a bit too excited. Yeah, also you may notice a lot of water droplets on the lens. Trust me, I have cleaned it several times today, and it's constantly raining, so there's not much I can do about it. So yeah, we'll be cleaning it whenever I get an opportunity. So this literally looks like a scene from one of the movies in Mungaru Male. So good, yeah. So good.
ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಂಗಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಡು.
So as you can see, a lot of bikes had appeared here, and we had to leave because it was getting late. It is so easy to get distracted in these kind of places because there are a lot of beautiful detours that you can take. But yeah, unfortunately, we didn't have much time and we had to make it back to our accommodation before it got dark in the evening. So, yeah. Probably the best part about this trip is the fact that the roads are kind of empty. We, to be honest, were expecting a lot more bikers. But yeah, also because of this rain, I think like fortunately we came prepared with like waterproof liners, and that is why we are able to like cover this distance. But yeah, otherwise it would be really really hard. Okay, I think that's much better now. As we got closer and closer to Bislay Ghat, the mist was also becoming a lot more than what we had expected. So we kind of set our hopes very low for the viewpoint, because if this is what it looks like on the roads, then I can only imagine how the viewpoint would be like. But nevertheless, the ride was absolutely amazing. So we basically came here mainly for the ride, so it didn't really disappoint us at all. This is what I was talking about. There's absolutely no visibility up ahead, but it's absolutely fun to ride here. We are obviously going very slow, making sure that we are aware of our surroundings. But yeah, the thrill you get riding in these sort of places, it's hard to explain until you experience it, for sure. So we are about a kilometer away from Bislay Ghat now, and I think this is more of like a forest area, because there are no like houses or towns that we saw for the last 15-20 kilometers. But yeah, hopefully the weather stays the same and we get a really good view. Okay, scratch that. We are absolutely sure we won't find any good view in this viewpoint, but yeah, we still want to go visit the place and go back to our stay. Alright, so we left Bislay Ghat and we are on our way back to Sakleshpur and back to our tent stay that we have booked for the day. It's kind of getting dark and we need to reach there before probably 7, because there's a 1.5 to 2 kilometer downhill jeep ride that we need to take from the owner's property to reach this particular tent beside the river, and it is not a path that we can cross with just our bikes, so we are dependent on the owner to take us down there. So that is it for the day. We are about 10 kilometers from the stay that we had booked. We have also informed the owner that we are about to reach. Follow me on Instagram, guys, if you haven't already, and yeah, like and share this video if you liked what you saw. And yeah, stay tuned for the video on day 2. There are a lot of amazing places that we are visiting.